Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're talking about hexagons and circles. Hexagons have 6 vertices. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many sides do you think a hexagon would have? If you said 6, then you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, circles have no vertices and no sides. Circles only have one long curve. So at the bottom, if you have yellow and blue crayons or colored pencils, that would be great. The first thing I want you to do is trace one hexagon with your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count to 6 as you trace your hexagon so you know it's a hexagon. And then find one circle and trace it with your finger. Just go around, make sure there are no vertices. Okay, now if you have yellow and blue, trace the hexagons in yellow in the circles in blue and color them in. If you do not have yellow and blue, just use 2 different colors. One color for hexagons and one color for circles. The shapes that are not a hexagon and not a circle should be left blank. So like this shape right here, that is kind of a half circle, you should just leave blank. Then you may go to the next page. Right here it reviews. A hexagon is 6 sides and 6 vertices, and a circle is 0 straight sides and 0 vertices. Let's review what these shapes are really quickly. What's this one? If you said triangle, you're correct. And what's this one? If you said rectangle, then you are correct. Okay, over here, color any hexagons red and any circles blue. Make sure, if you don't have red and blue, that you pick 2 different colors to color the hexagons and the circles. On this page, in number 1, you're going to color the hexagons red again and circles blue for 1 and 2. So up here, we'll find hexagons and circles. Okay. At the bottom, we're going to look at hexagons. Make sure you count 6 sides and 6 vertices. Then you're going to write 6, you could write 6 sides and 6 vertices for hexagons. Okay. Now, this is a cool project at the end. You're going to make a robot. At the bottom, there are instructions. If you want to do it with me, you can listen to my instructions. Draw 2 circles for the robot's eyes. Go ahead. Draw 1 triangle for the nose, a rectangle for the mouth. Draw a hexagon for each of the robot's hands. So think about where you're going to put the robot's hands and draw a hexagon. Then, when you're finished with your drawing those additional shapes, count all of the circles on the whole robot, write how many. All of the hexagons on the whole robot, write how many. All of the triangles on the whole robot, write how many. And all of the rectangles on the whole robot, and write how many. Remember, there are already shapes drawn for you, so include those when you're counting and writing how many. You can also then color your robot in. The next 2 pages are optional. If you have time, do them. Make sure you practice hexagons. Hexagons can be a little tricky. And then there's a cute dog at the end where you can, a cat, sorry. You can draw a hexagon at the end of the tail, 2 circles for the eyes, and then count up how many shapes there are in all. Have fun with shapes. If you have magnet tiles or pattern blocks or any other shape blocks at home and you want to build something with them, feel free to build and send me a picture on Seesaw. Have a great day. Bye.